Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widia Oktavia Ramadhani from ROMBEL 1. On this occasion, I will discuss the criminal law in Wales. What's the country of Wales? Wales is state of United Kingdom, which also includes England, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Criminal law is the set of rules that determine what acts are prohibited and what penalties may be imposed for their violations. Criminal law in Wales is based on the English system of law. Criminal law in Wales is based on the English system of law. The English legal system is strictly enforced in Wales, and decision of the highest courts in England and Wales binding on lower courts. Criminal law in Wales is largely governed by English law. However, there are some differences in the legal system in Wales compared to the United Kingdom. In 1999, the United Kingdom government devolved legislative powers to Wales, meaning that the Wales Parliament now has the power to make laws in certain areas, including in this case criminal law. As such, Wales can have its own criminal laws that differ from the United Kingdom in certain respects. Although Wales has legislative powers in some areas, including criminal law, significant change may not have taken place, and criminal law in Wales still largely in line with English criminal law. However, it is important to note that this situation may change over time due to autonomy and policy development in Wales. The Welsh government may decide to adopt different criminal law or make amendments to existing criminal laws. Countries such as England and Wales, USA, and India practice common law where published judicial opinions are very important. It is an adversarial system where two opposing parties convince the jury that version of events they present to the court is the most convincing. Opposing parties can choose what issues are presented or cited as evidence and what witnesses are called. Judge presided over the trial, and his role is only to advise on the law, but will clarify the issues and summarize the facts for the jury, essentially acting as an impartial referee. Next, historical development of criminal law in Wales. The historical development of criminal law and procedures in England and Wales has roots in the expansion of legal institutions that followed the conquest of England by Duke William of Normandy in 1099. Wales was incorporated into the common law framework in 1535. The law in England and Wales consists of common law and statute law. Organizational components of criminal justice system include the government, criminal justice committees, police, courts, probation service, and the crown prosecution service. Procedures in the criminal justice system include detection and indictment, detention, offense categories, court proceedings, trial by jury, and juvenile justice proceedings. There is some difference between sentence can include resoundment, probation, community sentence, fines, acquittals, compensation, and the death penalty. There are also possibilities for appeal and early release. Next is a difference between English and Wales criminal law. There are some differences between English and criminal law. First, in terms of legal language, the criminal law of English and Wales are substantially the same, but the legal terminology and court procedures may reflect the legal traditions of Wales. The second, in terms of the court system, England has two separate court systems: the Royal Court of Justice and the Court of Justice. Whereas in Wales there is Criminal Court of Wales, but it's essentially integrated into the English system. In 1999, with the creation of the National Assembly for Wales, a shift towards more autonomy in government and legal jurisdiction in Wales began. They included some change in the criminal law system, although it didn't completely remove the link with the English legal system. The legal system in England and Wales is based on the common law traditions, in contrast to Scotland, which is based on Roman law. England has the English High Court and the English Court of Appeal as the highest courts over criminal case. Wales now has a High Court and Court of Appeal for Wales as part of an effort to give greater autonomy to Wales' legal system. Initially, there were differences with England, but these changes were more administrative in nature. Okay, that's all from me. If there is mistake in words or and others, I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.